Hey everybody, what is up? This is me, Hitman for President, and welcome to my channel. And finally the time has come that I get to bring this bike to the track day, which is going to be tomorrow morning, which is going to be in the same video because I do not want to separate the videos for too much. So now I'm just preparing the bike, like some last minute preps. For example, because I have to bring this bike on the road tomorrow, and I have taken off the registration number. However, in order for me not to be easily spotted by the authority when I'm on the way from my house to the track tomorrow, I have to have the registration number at the back. So the solution is this. I installed the GoPro mount on the registration number. See, it looks cool. So it's gonna go right here. Personally, I feel it looks just as good as the aftermarket tail tidy. So yeah, I'm gonna go with this. And the best thing about having the registration number mounting like this is that when I reach the track tomorrow, I can just take it off and I can mount my GoPro with that, so I could have a very cool camera angle. I can't wait for tomorrow comes because there are a couple of things I want to do. I want to test my fitness when I'm in the track, and then I want to check on my lap timing, so that I'll be better prepared when it comes in October. When the race comes, I'll be ready for the race. Now I'm at the track. I'm taking the bike out for the first time, and this is the very first session that I am riding this bike in this Sepang go-kart track. It's been a while since I last been here, so I kind of expect that it's gonna be a bit sluggish for me, and you will be able to see it in a couple of seconds later that my riding is a bit off. I am not able to hit the apex as tight as I can, and I am coasting too much when I get into a corner. So from this video, I know what to work on. This is a video from my friend's GoPro Hero 5, and he mounted on the Yamaha R15. And to put things into perspective, this is a later ride in the evening, and I had him to follow me around the track just so that I can see some improvements, because I can see some changes in the way I ride. I had more corner speed, I had more lean angles, and my lap timing is way better compared to the first session in the morning, but I'm not going to share it here because it's not impressive at all. Boleh. you guys enjoy this video. It's a very rare occasion that I get to bring my bike to a track, because it's not always that I had the chance to come here and do this often. But I'll try my best to do it more, because my next track session, that should be in September. That's about a month away from now. So until then, I wish everyone to have a good day, and goodbye.